Okay, good afternoon to all of you. As I can see here, very few students today, but it's okay. We'll start the lab session. So as of now, we have already discussed many practicals. Let me just share my screen here. Is my screen visible? Okay, so you can see here we have performed many practical. We have discussed this practical. So first was about the packet tracer. Second was networking commands. Third was LAN topologies. Fourth was HTTP server. Fifth is about DNS. That also we have done. Sixth is about email server in the packet tracer. Seventh is about routing. So we have just started the network layer and we have not reached to the routing algorithm, right? So इसलिए हम लोग ये 7 और 8 जो routing के ऊपर के है experiments that we are not doing, but instead of that we are starting the practical number 9, that is of VLAN, right? So today we'll perform the practical of VLAN, that is of we can say पहले हम वो डिस्कस करेंगे कि क्या है and then we'll perform the VLAN in the Cisco packet tracer, right? So I think up to this how many practicals are there? Up to this everybody has done, right? Six practicals सबके हो गए होंगे, right? सबने 6 practicals कर लिए हैं in the Cisco packet tracer, or it is remaining? I have already shared the format of how to prepare your lab manual. मैंने already Google Classroom में फॉर्मेट शेयर कर दिया है, उस हिसाब से ही आपको प्रैक्टिकल रखने हैं उसमें.
I am not sure about the sequence in which I have performed all the practicals, but
in total 6 होने चाहिए.
Initially when I was doing that, I have done all these things very roughly. So I think
have you saved the practical or not?
For before the topologies, whatever was to be performed, it is not with me, I think. So I need to perform it again. What's the submission date?
टोपोलॉजीज के पहले तो 2 प्रैक्टिकल थे. एक तो इंट्रोडक्शन टू द पैकेट ट्रेसर that we have performed the different commands in the CLI, and the second was about the networking commands. So ये दो तुम्हारे बाकी होंगे. बाकी topologies, HTTP, DNS and mail server configuration you might have done.
Yes, ma'am. Both that commands related practicals I have not done. Even I have not seen even. So I think initially I have taken it very roughly.
Okay, no problem. आप एक बार देख लो, डेफिनेशन देख लेना एक बार, राइट? फिर भी आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है, यू कैन आस्क मी.
Okay. And when it is to be submitted?
सबमिट आपकी टर्म एंड डेट क्या है डियर? व्हाट्स योर टर्म एंड डेट?
Not getting.
What's your semester term and date?
Okay. That also I am not aware of. I think it is mentioned in the classroom, right? Google Classroom.
No, I'm asking about the semester term and date. That means आपका semester खत्म कब हो रहा है? कुछ बताया है CC ने?
No, ma'am. But it should be submitted in a sequential manner, no? Not at the end. All should be submitted all together.
नहीं, आपको सब एंड में ही सबमिट करना है. बट यस, फॉलो अप में हर एक लैब में लेती रहूंगी कि आपके कितने प्रैक्टिकल्स हुए हैं. सो दैट यू नीड टू शेयर योर स्क्रीन एंड शो मी. दैट पार्ट विल डू इन द लैब सेशन इटसेल्फ. बट आपको सबमिट तो एक साथ ही करना होगा, क्योंकि आप पहले 6 कर लो, फिर 6 सबमिट करोगे, फिर दूसरे 6 करोगे, तो आप फॉर्मेट कैसे मेंटेन करोगे? क्योंकि मैनुअल तो एक ही है. If you want to do it in that way, I don't have any problem. I'll create an individual tab in the Google Classroom. You can do in that way also. But that will be difficult for you, that if you will miss the deadline, it will create a problem.
And then we have to be more punctual about time, na? Because after submission that it will not allow to submit.
Yeah.
I think.
Yes.
No, that last time wise is, I think.
हाँ,
more.
तो पहले ऐसा करो कि जो भी प्रैक्टिकल्स हो रहे हैं वो साथ साथ करते जाओ, और जैसे वो हो जाता है लैब मैनुअल में रख दो, क्योंकि फॉर्मेट ऑलरेडी दे दिया है मैंने, राइट. सो जैसे प्रैक्टिकल खत्म होता है स्क्रीनशॉट्स ले लो, कुछ डिटेल्स लिखनी है वो लिख दो और रख दो उसमें, राइट. फिर जितने होते जाते हैं उस हिसाब से उसमें कॉपी पेस्ट करते जाओ. इट्स वेरी इजी, राइट. और प्रैक्टिकल्स हमारा जो है अब तो हमारी 2 घंटे की लैब है, पहले 1 घंटे की थी, अब 2 घंटे की है. सो यू विल गेट द सफिशिएंट टाइम टू जस्ट फॉर द फॉर्मेटिंग एंड ऑल, राइट. आपको सफिशिएंट टाइम भी मिल जाएगा, क्योंकि हमारा प्रैक्टिकल्स ज्यादा से ज्यादा 1 घंटे में खत्म हो जाता है, राइट. अभी तो आपके पास CCNA कोर्स भी नहीं है, राइट. मॉड्यूल 2 स्टार्ट होगा बट फाइनल एग्जाम्स के बाद. सो आई थिंक नेक्स्ट वीक में आपका मॉड्यूल 2 स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, CCNA मॉड्यूल 2. 28 मार्च को आपकी फाइनल एग्जाम है CCNA की. सो 29th और 30th को आपका मॉड्यूल 2 एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा. सो at the end you have to do your CCNA course in the lab itself.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat what were the practicals we have done?
Means how many practicals we have done, or the definition you want to know? Problem definition.
Ma'am, definition.
Okay. So the first one was about the configuration of the router using the CLI, command line interface, जो हमने पहला practical किया था. That was introductory of the Cisco packet tracer as well. Second was about demonstration of the networking commands that we have performed in the CMD, but you and Aditya have not done. I remembered still. So वो आपके लिए अभी नहीं करोगे तो चलेगा, right? Third was about the topologies. We have discussed, we have implemented the star, mash, bus, ring topology in the Cisco packet tracer. Fourth one was about the configuration of the HTTP server. Fifth is about the DNS server, and sixth is about the email configuration of the email server.
Okay, ma'am.
Then?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I am getting only 5 practicals which I have saved.
Okay, तुम्हारे 5 ही होंगे ना, तुम्हारा नेटवर्किंग कमांड्स वाला नहीं होगा, that's why.
Ma'am, not 5, only 4.
So fifth कौन सा नहीं किया है?
मैम कर रखा है मैम सब, बट शायद मैंने सेव नहीं करा है.
कौन सा? Okay, so we'll start with the VLAN. Okay, so first of all, you need to understand that VLAN, that is, we can say it's a virtual local area network, or we can say the virtual LAN. So वो होता क्या है? We can say the VLANs are the logical group of computers that appear to be on the same LAN. irrespective of the configuration of the underlying physical network. And one thing that we can say that they are on the same pace where all the computers are connected with each other, but there is one single, or we can say the multiple switches or bridges are there, right? So that means a virtual network is created, right? Now let's say that if there are two or three computers which forms one network, there is one another two or three computers which forms one network, right? And these networks are connected with one switch, right? So जैसे हम प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे you will have an idea कि ये पूरा वर्क कैसे करता है. So first of all, open the Cisco packet tracer.
Is there any connection between the VLAN VLC media player and this VLAN concept?
No.
Both are different, na?
Hmm.
Because they are also used to use the same word.
Okay. So starting with this, first of all, we need to take one switch. So I'm taking here this switch PT switch, and I'm taking the PCs. So PC0, PC1, another PC2, and PC3. And we need to connect this with fast Ethernet 0, and here fast Ethernet 0/1. Again, we need to take here the copper straight through fast Ethernet 0 with fast Ethernet 1/1. Again, copper straight through fast Ethernet 0 with fast Ethernet 2/1. Again, fast Ethernet 0 slash fast Ethernet 3/1. So just complete this initial part first. Now here I am giving the outline to this.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
which connection we have to give auto?
fast Ethernet 0/0 with this copper straight through wire.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, at the end of that switch, we have to give fast Ethernet 0/1.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
0/1. For PC2 it will be 1/1.
Ma'am, like for PC0 and PC1, it will be 0/1, and for PC2 and 3, it will be
1/2, 1/1 and 2/1.
Ma'am, fast in the Ethernet.
Fast Ethernet let me just show you again. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि जब आप लोग ये सिलेक्ट करोगे for copper straight through wire, when you select this, it will show fast Ethernet 0. right? When you just connect it with this switch, it will show fast ethernet 0/0, right? जब आप switch के ऊपर click करोगे तब आपको दिखेगा fast ethernet 0/0. Again, when you click on the PC1, it will show connect it with fast ethernet 0. हर एक बार जब PC के ऊपर click करोगे तब आपको fast ethernet 0 दिखेगा. But when you just click on this switch to connect it with this switch, you can see here the different ports. That is a 0/0, then 0/1, or we can say 1/0, 1/1, 2/1. That type of you can see there. You can see here. So when I click on this, I can see here fast Ethernet 0 is there, and at this side you can see on my screen 0/1. Right now, when I just move my cursor over here, I can see here that it is connected with 1/1. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am. But among which what we have to select while connecting, like for zeroth PC, we have to do 0/1. Then for
Yes,
first PC, 1/1. Like that.
1/1.
Okay.
Yeah, that way you need to select. For PC3, 2/1. For PC2, 3/1.
Ma'am, for PC1, 1/1 is not showing.
What's not showing?
Let me share my screen.
Which switch you have taken here? Have you taken the PT switch?
Yes, PT2 24.
Just go to the switch once again. पहले switch में जाओ, नीचे जो switches दिए हैं. No, you have to take the second one, dear. The general switch? Yes. Fast Ethernet 0 and 0/1. Getting my point?
Yes.
0, again 1/0, 0/1. Okay. 2/1 and 3/1. Just wait for 1 minute, it will be there.
Okay.
थोड़े टाइम के बाद वो ग्रीन हो जाएगा, उसके बाद आप देख सकोगे कि वो कौन से पोर्ट पे कनेक्ट हुआ है.
Okay.
Right? Now you need to give the name that, let's say कि यहाँ पे मैंने this is VLAN 10 and this is oh, I think my screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Now I need to place a note over here that this is VLAN 20. Now, what I have to do in this is simple. We need to give the IP address to all the PCs, right? So पहले यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We'll start with the PC. PC से हम लोग first PC से start करेंगे with the PC0. We need to give the IP address to all the PC. So first of all, the IP address for the first PC, that should be, it's a VLAN 10, right? So we need to give the IP address accordingly. So 192.168.10.2, and the default gateway should be 192.168.10.1, right? It belongs to the VLAN 10. So here we are giving the tan.2 and the default gateway should be tan.1. Same for the second PC, we need to give the IP address as the same one, first one. So 192.168.10.3 and 192.168.10.1. Now need to close this. Going to the PC3 again, PC2, giving the IP address. So that should be 192.168.20 because it is VLAN 20. So 20.2 and the default gateway 192.168.20.1. Need to close this again, giving the IP configuration for PC3. The same way we'll do 192.168.20.3 and default gateway should be 192.168.20.1. Close this PC. Now, one thing that I have not done here, मैंने यहाँ पे directly internal configuration कर दिया है, right? So, for our reference, we need to give the IP address at the outer side. VLAN में तो ये बहुत ही जरूरी होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे ही differentiate होगा कि ये कौन सा VLAN है और ये कौन सा VLAN है. We have two VLANs over here, right? So here we are giving the configuration at the outer side also. So 192.168.10.2. For this, it will be 192.168.10.3. Again for this, 192.168.20.2. And for this, .192.168.20.3. Now here we need to configure this switch, right? Because whatever the data transmission that take place, that can be done with the help of switch only. अभी तक हमने जो भी देखा था, that is all about the configuration of the router, configuration of the servers. That part we have seen. We have never configured this switch, right? So for that, go to this switch. We'll configure this switch with the help of the commands. So go to the CLI. And then first of all, as you can see here that switch is not in the enable mode. So for enabling the switch, we need to write the command en. Okay. All of you are on the same page or may I wait? Just pin to my screen dear. Meghna, it's visible. मेरी screen पे pin कर दो, दिख जाएगी.
Ma'am, please wait just for 1 minute.
Okay, no problem. ठीक है. So as you can see here, यहाँ पे पहले मैंने क्या किया है, इतना PCs वगैरह एस्टैब्लिश कर दिया है, यहाँ पे कनेक्शन दे दिया है डिवाइसेस लेके. Okay, so what you need to do in this, पहले क्या करना है आपको, ये आपने जो डिवाइसेस ले लिए है, राइट? यहाँ पे मैंने ये सर्कल इसलिए किए है बिकॉज I want to configure the two different VLANs. यहाँ पे मुझे दो VLANs को configure करना है, right? So that's why I have drawn the circle over here, right? So यहाँ पे मैंने name भी दे दिए है that this is VLAN 10 and this is VLAN 20, right? So in this VLAN you can see here कि यहाँ पे If you can see, this in VLAN 10 there are two PCs, so we need to configure this two PC. और PC को configure कैसे करता है? We need to give the IP address, right? PC को identify कैसे करना होता है? Obviously with the help of the logical address. Logical address से ही हम उसको identify कर सकते हैं, right? So what I have done here is I have given the IP addresses. अभी मैंने पहले भी बताया था that you need to keep a habit that आपको बाहर भी configuration करना है, that means at the outer side and at the inner side as well. तो यहाँ पे outer side में configuration मैंने यहाँ पे IP address देके किया है 192.168.10.2. Then for this PC 192.168.10.3. Same for this 192.168.20.2 because here the VLAN 20 is there, and for PC3 192.168.20.3, right? Default gateway सबके लिए यहाँ पे क्या होगा 192.168.10.1 and for this 192.168.20.1, right? So पहले ये IP configurations दे दो and let me know in the chat box as and when it completes. Okay. What about you, Yash? Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am. Internally, I have given all the gateways and IP address, but externally, only one PC are allowing in both the circle to give the IP address at the outer
नहीं,
side.
आप नोट प्लेस करके दे सकते हो डियर. जस्ट टेक दिस प्लेस नोट एंड यू कैन गिव. एक्सटर्नली तो कुछ है ही नहीं, हमने सिर्फ नोट ही रखी है.
नोट वो ऑटोमेटिकली आ रहा था, तो उससे एक पीसी का आईपी एड्रेस दिया गया और दूसरे
नहीं,
के लिए
ऑटोमेटिकली नहीं आएगा. यू नीड टू सिलेक्ट दिस.
Okay.
You can see on my screen the cursor is there. Place
Okay.
note. Just take that and give it.
So it's just like a comment only.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Pavdeep.
Ma'am, your screen has stopped.
Okay. Okay, now moving to the switch configuration part. Now what I have done, I have clicked on this switch, and it will ask me that whether you want to configure. Just click enter, and you will see this type of a command, right? So first of all, you have to enable this switch for the configuration. So I have to write en, that is an enable switch, right? After that, I want to configure it, so I will write config, click enter, and it will ask whether you want to configure the switch. Yes, click enter. Now it enters into the global configuration mode. Now if you just go in the flashback, we have seen we have configured the router, right? तब राउटर में हमने कॉन्फ़िगरेशन किया था, तब आपको याद है कि तब हमने दो मोड स्टडी किए थे, ग्लोबल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मोड एंड द अनदर वन वाज व्हिच मोड?
Local.
Local was not there, I forgot the name, but we have studied the two configuration mode in the router, right? So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि global configuration mode में पहले we need to enable the switch, and we need to turn on the switch on the configuration mode. So as and when we just write the config command, it will ask that whether you want to configure the terminal, right? So then we need to click on the enter, and then it will ask for the configuration. अभी हमको यहाँ पे कॉन्फ़िगर क्या करना है, दोनों VLANs कॉन्फ़िगर करने हैं. So first of all, we need to enter into the VLAN 10, right? So I'm writing here VLAN 10. Then I need to first of all give the name. कौन मुझे name रखने हैं? So first of all, I'll give the name. Let's say name Twinkle, and then click on the enter. Exiting from that VLAN. Same for the VLAN 20 I need to give. So VLAN 20, enter. Again it enters into the VLAN mode, and I need to give the name for the another VLAN, that is name. I'm giving the name Keshwani. Enter, exit. Then again it will go to the configuration mode. Again I need to exit from this switch, so I'll write here exit. So it will exit it from the configuration mode, and you can see this on the screen. Now we want to see that how much VLANs we have created. So what we need to do here is we need to type a command, right? So उसके लिए command क्या होगा कि हमको VLANs देखने कि कितने VLANs हमने बनाए हैं. So for that the command is very simple, that is show VLAN. Click enter. When you just scroll up, you can see here there it is. Okay, so you can see here that we have created the two VLANs, Twinkle, that is VLAN 10, 20, that is Keshwani, and this both are active, right? So you can see here this on your screen, right? ये आप देख सकते हो कि जो आपने VLANs 10 और 20 में जो नेम दिए हैं, that you can see on your screen. Okay, so do it till now. Waiting for others for acknowledgement. Why there are very less students today? Any idea? Okay, yes, you are doing.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay.
The list has shown.
Okay. Now, again, going to the config mode, click enter. Now, what we need to do here is, यहाँ पे हमको क्या करना है, इंटरफेस को कॉन्फ़िगर करना है, राइट? अभी यहाँ पे इंटरफेस क्या होगा कि यहाँ पे जो 0/1 1/1 जो इंटरफेसेस हमने यूज किए हैं, दैट वी नीड टू डू इट. So for that, I will write the command interface, then F0/1, enter, switch port, access, VLAN 10, right? And click on the enter. Again, exiting from this, and for every interface, we need to do this, right? ये तो सिर्फ हमने 0/1 इंटरफेस के लिए किया, बट हमें 4 इंटरफेसेस हमने यूज किए हैं, right? So we need to configure for every interface. So I need to write here interface F1/1, enter, switch port, access, VLAN 10, enter, exit, enter. Right? Now we need to do for the interface F2/1. So we'll write here interface F2/1, switch port, access, VLAN. अब 2/1 और 3/1 कौन से VLAN के लिए था? यहाँ पे मिस्टेक मत करना, it's for VLAN 20, right? So we need to write VLAN 20 here, exit, again interface F2 F3/1, enter, switch port, access, VLAN 20, exit, and again exit. So here we have given the access for the switch port access VLAN TAN 20 for fast Ethernet 0/1, 1/1, 2/1, and 3/1. Right. So we have configured the interface for all these four interface which is here. That is for the VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So when you just go to this, you can see here the configuration of every interface which is given. And when you just run the command show run, you can see here the interface and the switch ports are there.
And from which command it can be listed?
Show run.
For that, first we need to exit from that
Yes,
configuration.
yes, yeah. You can see on the screen here. You can see all the commands. You need to take a screenshot of this also.
Ma'am, it is not coming in sequential manner as it is shown in your PC.
Share your screen. यहाँ पे मुझे एग्जैक्टली क्लियर तो नहीं दिख रहा है. इवन आई कैन नॉट रीड ऑल्सो. यानी कि सिक्वेंशियल मैनर में नहीं आ रहा है, बट एटलीस्ट सब स्विच पोर्ट को एक्सेस तो मिल रहा है. इट्स देयर और नॉट. एक्चुअली ये जो लेटर्स है वो बहुत ही छोटे दिख रहा है. आई कैन नॉट रीड इट इवन. दैट्स वाई. now it's visible. Okay, detect ही नहीं किया है dear. You might have done something wrong.
No, at that time it was not detected due to some syntax error. But now, after
See,
fixing
there
it,
is a
I
yes.
have done everything.
Switch spelling you have written it wrong. You can see
But
here the invalid input detected.
after I have corrected also.
फिर से कॉन्फ़िगर करना मींस एक बार फिर से कॉन्फ़िगर करके देखो.
Means whatever is done is correct or not, like
हाँ, करेक्ट तो
desired
किया
output.
है, बट सिंटैक्स एरर के लिए वो हो रहा है ना, थोड़ा दिक्कत हो रहा है. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दी मोर एंड क्लिक एंटर. मोर के ऊपर क्लिक करके एंटर करो. नाउ यू कैन सी. जस्ट एंटर वंस मोर. हाँ, it's there. It's there. Yes, it's
So,
correct. It's correct.
okay. Just it was
अभी
showing
हो
in
रहा है
different
मेरे
manner.
मेरे में था वैसा हो रहा है अभी.
Just it was showing in different manner. Okay.
Okay, Walt, why you have joined late, dear? Walt,
Yes, ma'am.
why you have joined late?
Ma'am, it was a network problem.
Are you there in the Marwadi hostel?
Yes.
So I don't think so there is a network problem. If it is there, then it's there in whole campus.
No, really, it's a problem since morning. Even now, like.
So you have not attended the morning session?
But after that, I did not attend.
Okay. Okay, so we have done one practical, that is the practical number 9. That is a configuration of the VLAN in the Cisco Packet Tracer, right? If you want any help, then you can take a help from me, or you can take a help from your classmates. And have you completed the previous practical that we have done in the lab?
Hello, ma'am. Is this practical done?
Yeah, it's done. It was very small practical.
Okay, ma'am. So this much was only there.
Hmm.
Ma'am, can I share my screen because ma'am, I am only finding 4 practicals only.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
share your
think we
screen.
have
Yes.
done till here only.
Share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this was practical 9.
Yes. The sequence number is 9, but actually it is not 9.
Ma'am, for today we have to do anything additional.
Complete the course feedback for now.
Course is completed. All the exams and tests has been given by me, but
हाँ
the
अभी
only
टाइम है
feedback
तो
is
कोर्स
pending.
हाँ कोर्स फीडबैक अभी कंप्लीट कर दो.
Okay.
एंड वन मोर थिंग कि जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है अनऑफिशियल व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में उसमें एक्नॉलेजमेंट डाल दो सो आई कैन कीप अ रिकॉर्ड ऑफ ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स.
Acknowledgement related to what? Like,
दैट फीडबैक इज डन.
okay.
Hello, ma'am. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it's there.
Ma'am, this was the first one that we have done. Like
Okay.
that CLI command and all.
Hmm.
Ma'am, second one I have not done. Third one was topologies.
Hmm.
Then, ma'am, this one was there, HTTP server.
Okay.
And ma'am, this one was, I think, email one. Ma'am, we have done this practicals only.
डीएनएस वाला नहीं हुआ है क्या?
I don't think, ma'am, we have done.
ओके सो अभी कर लेते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Just check in the YouTube. शायद ये सभी बैच में हो गया था बट फिर भी अगर नहीं हुआ है तो हम लोग कर लेते हैं. नो इश्यू.
Ma'am, I don't think we have done this. We have done only this practicals only.
सो डीएनएस वाला प्रैक्टिकल आपकी बैच में क्यों नहीं हुआ है? तो सारी बैचेस में तो हो गया है. हमारी कोई लैब बैच मिस हुई है ऐसा कुछ था?
मैम मे बी लास्ट वीक में हो सकता है.
यस मैम लास्ट लैब मिस हुई थी वो विपुल लाडवा सर ने लैब ली थी उस दिन.
यस मैम.
ओके हाँ सो हो सकता है शायद नहीं हुआ हो. ओके विल डू इट राइट नाउ.
Ma'am,
So just save this
I
practical.
can check it in.
Okay,
Should
okay,
I
no
check?
problem. Bhavdeep, we are doing.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, that DNS was practical number 4.
Let me check the sequence number. DNS was the practical number 5.
5. Okay, ma'am.
ओके सो ये प्रैक्टिकल सेव कर लो और विल स्टार्ट दी नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल दैट इज डीएनएस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain this HTTP configuration practical again, like in short?
ओके पहले डीएनएस कंप्लीट कर ले,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
है ना, फिर बाद में वो करते हैं.
Ma'am, I have done that, but I forgot the steps.
ओके विल डू इट. So, as we have already discussed the DNS क्या है that we have already discussed in the theory session, right? So DNS stands for domain name server, or we can say the domain name system, right? So what is the main work of the DNS is to just, we can say like that, to convert the domain name into an IP address, the DNS is used, right? ये हमने थियरी सेशन में भी पढ़ लिया था कि डीएनएस किसके लिए यूज होता है, कि लेट्स से कि जो कंप्यूटर है वो तो सिर्फ नंबर्स ही समझता है, राइट? सो इफ वी आर राइटिंग लाइक www.facebook.com, that man how it converts the name into an numbers, right? So for that we can say that at that time the DNS is introduced, right? कि जो भी डोमेन हम लोग लिखते हैं, whatever the domain name that we are typing, that it converts that domain name into an IP address, right? Now, what happens in this case? So first of all, open the Cisco Packet Tracer. Here we'll see the same thing, right? कैसे वो domain name जब हम type करते तो वो कैसे web page कैसे दिखाता है, that whole process will perform here. So first of all, I think my screen is visible to all. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Okay, so here, let me share my screen. So यहाँ पे क्या करना है? Obviously DNS के लिए हमें एक PC चाहिए होगा, right? एक intermediate device और एक server जो request को fulfill करता है, right? So for that, first of all, you need to take a PC, then one server and one intermediate device that can be a switch here, right? So I'm taking a PT switch and connecting all the devices with each other. Now, once it is done, what we need to give here is, this is the DNS server, right? Now we need to give the IP address, right? So पहले हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? पहले externally IP address दे देंगे, right? सभी we can say servers में और PC में, right? So first of all, I'm giving the IP address at the external. यहाँ पे note डाल के already है ही, so I am using this 192.168.1.1, and here I am giving the IP address that is 192.168.1.5, right? Now what I have to do कि मैंने यहाँ पे externally तो address दे दिया, but I need to give the internal configuration. For that I need to go to the desktop, IP address, IP configuration is my IP address, so I need to give the IP address over here. So 192.168.1.1, subnet mask will be automatically calculated, and here we need to give the DNS server, right? So यहाँ पे मैं क्या करूंगी? Tab subnet mask automatic calculate हो गया. Default gateway देने की जरूरत नहीं, because we are giving the DNS server address. So DNS server address क्या होगा? जो सर्वर का एड्रेस होगा वही DNS सर्वर होगा, क्योंकि क्लाइंट जब रिक्वेस्ट करेगा तब वहां यहाँ पे जो सर्वर है that is the DNS server. So obviously the whatever the IP address of the server will be there, that will be the address of the DNS server. So 192.168.1.1, right? Close this, go to the PC, desktop, IP configuration, IP address 192.168.1.5, tab, and DNS server, that will be 192.168.1.1. That is the IP address of the server, right? यहाँ तक कर लो पहले. Now, if we just look at this, when we go to the PC, चलो हमने IP address तो दे दिया, पर अभी DNS सर्वर को configuration करना तो बाकी है. So HTTP में हमने देखा था that here we need to go to the services where the list of the services are given, right? So HTTP में हमने देखा था कि जब हमें HTTP सर्वर कॉन्फ़िगर करना होता है तो हम यहाँ पे हम HTTP के ऊपर क्लिक करते हैं, right? But here we want to configure the DNS server, so we need to go to the DNS tab. You can see here कि यहाँ पे पहले सर्विसेज को ऑन करना है, फिर हमने DNS में देखा था कि रिसोर्स रिकॉर्ड्स, इफ यू माइट रिमेम्बर्ड, हमने 4 टाइप्स के रिसोर्स रिकॉर्ड्स देखे थे, A, CNAME, यहाँ पे बाय डिफॉल्ट जो रिकॉर्ड होगा दैट इज एंड वी कैन से द ए रिकॉर्ड. सो यहाँ पे पहले मुझे डोमेन नेम को असाइन करना पड़ेगा किसी एड्रेस के लिए. सो हियर आई एम असाइनिंग द डोमेन नेम एज www.cisco.com and address for that is 192.168.1.1 and adding this address. मैंने इस एड्रेस को ऐड कर दिया. राइट नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू इन दिस केस, अब मैं क्या करूंगी मुझे कोई एक वेब पेज डिस्प्ले करवाना है. राइट सो व्हाट आई विल डू इन दैट केस, उसके लिए मुझे किसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी. ऑब्वियसली कोई वेब पेज डिस्प्ले करवाना है तो मुझे HTTP फाइल की ही जरूरत पड़ेगी. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई नीड टू चेक दैट वेदर इट्स देयर और नॉट. राइट सो पहले ये देखना है कि सर्विसेज ऑन है या नहीं, वेदर द सर्विसेज आर ऑन और ऑफ. राइट सो मैं क्या करूंगी, ऑन तो है ही. अब मैं index.html फाइल को एडिट करूंगी एंड आई विल राइट हियर welcome to Cisco packet tracer. Click on the save button. There is already a file with the same name. Do you want to overwrite it? Yes. Close this button. Now go to the PC again. अब PC में जाओ. अभी पता कैसे चलेगा कि भाई डोमेन नेम सेट हुआ है कि नहीं. So obviously we need to click on the web browser. So यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है, www. यहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली जो DNS का काम क्या है, डोमेन नेम को IP एड्रेस में कन्वर्ट करके वो वेब पेज हमें डिस्प्ले करता है. तो हमने जो डोमेन नेम सेट किया था, वी नीड टू ऐड दैट cisco.com. Click on the go button and you can see here the web page which we have modified in the HTTP. So this is all about the DNS. अगर मैं यहाँ पे IP एड्रेस डाल के लिखूंगी तो ऑब्वियसली वो दिखाएगा ही. राइट जैसे हमने ऑलरेडी HTTP में किया था. HTTP में हमने डोमेन नेम टाइप नहीं किया था, हमने क्या टाइप किया था, IP एड्रेस. लेट्स से कि यहाँ पे मैं IP एड्रेस टाइप करूंगी, ऑब्वियसली इट विल शो. राइट पर मुझे डोमेन नेम में जब मैं टाइप करती हूँ तब भी मुझे वो दिखाना चाहिए. Now I am writing the domain name, then also it should show the page. So this is all about the DNS practical जो आपकी लैब में नहीं हुआ था and we have performed today. Okay, what about others? Acknowledge me. Okay, so now about the HTTP. Both of you are asking about the HTTP. So HTTP में हमने same procedure की थी, but we have not set the domain name, right? यहाँ पे सिर्फ हमने domain name नहीं किया
Hello,
था.
ma'am, I have done that.
Okay, okay,
Ma'am, I
okay.
got it. Ma'am, actually, I forgot it how to find that HTML page. So we have done same procedure in this also.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have sent you the screenshot also of that CCNA course pages which were not available.
Have you mailed me or WhatsApp me, Bhavdeep?
Ma'am, I have sent on WhatsApp.
Okay, I'll check it. Okay, I'll look into that. I'll forward that screenshot and we'll see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so those who have not yet completed the course feedback, just do it right now in this lab and acknowledge me here. At least इतने लोगों का तो अभी course feedback हो ही जाना चाहिए. Okay, Bhavdeep has done, good. Sushil Prasad has done, Meghna has done. Divi has done. Janvi, Yash, Wald. Okay. Okay, so I think almost 90% students have completed the course feedback, right? Now, in the next lab, I want the all the practicals that we have done up till now, that I want in a format which I have given to you in the Google Classroom, right? मुझे वो format में सारे practicals चाहिए along with the screenshots and some brief description about the practical, right? Next lab हमारी Wednesday को होगी, next Wednesday, right? So on next Wednesday I'll ask everyone individually to share their screen and along with the format of the practical which I have shared, right? So if you want to do it right now, अभी करना start कर दो वो, right? इतना टाइम नहीं लगेगा, फॉर्मेटिंग में थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है, बट यस आई वांट द फॉर्मेटिंग इन अ प्रॉपर वे. मुझे फॉर्मेटिंग अच्छे से चाहिए होगा. आई नॉट जस्ट आई कैन से कि फॉर्मेटिंग में अगर कुछ ऊपर नीचे होगा, आई विल नॉट जस्ट सबमिशन आपका नहीं हो पाएगा. दैट मीन्स क्योंकि फॉर्मेटिंग इसलिए इस बार इतना इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है बिकॉज एज एन एमबीए पर्सपेक्टिव वी नीड टू शो योर लैब मैनुअल्स, राइट? और आपके जो लैब मैनुअल्स है उसमें कुछ प्रैक्टिकल्स है इस बार नए ऐड किए हैं, सो आई नीड टू कीप अ रिकॉर्ड ऑफ ऑल दैट, राइट? सो आई वांट practical in a proper format. I'll not tolerate anything if there is something wrong in the formatting, right? So start to do it right now as we have already completed 2 practicals आज already हमने कर दिए हैं, right? So you can start doing the practical right now. Yes, I'll just talk with the ma'am about the same and will let you know.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavdeep.
Ma'am, you have mentioned that we have to use that font that Times New Roman.
Huh?
Actually, I'm not unable to use Word in my system, Microsoft Word. So I'm using some other online tools. So it is not having Times New Roman, but there are some similar fonts available.
Okay, if it is similar to that, you can use it.
Yes, ma'am, because my Microsoft Word is like I've downloaded the cracked version, but it is not working properly.
Okay, okay, no problem. You can use the similar font of that which is mentioned. डीएनएस का प्रैक्टिकल सबने कर लिया है ना? अभी जो करवाया वो? ओके,